This is Dr. Balaji. Today I am going to explain about how to do the login page in Visual Programming. So in VB.NET you can create one login page with the features of forgot password and change password. So this kind of features, if you add, every user can create that own password, and if forgot you can retrieve, as well as you can change the password. So this kind of features way we can create the login page. So let's go.
We are using the group boxes because when you are using this forget password operation, you cannot see this change password. When loading this login form, you cannot see this both change password and forget password elements like password, label and text box, button, these all things. So that's why we are using group box. So group box is, it's containing group of elements, so that effect will come to all these elements inside. So you can move anywhere, automatic all that elements also will move. That's why we are using group box. So when form load, when you give automatic, you can see here group box 3 and group box 2 visible is equal to false. So that's why when running time you cannot see this login page, this forget password and change password group boxes. Okay, so come to the point here. If you go first as per our database in module, we are giving the connection string here like this. Our database name is that SMS, and then as per our session we are giving that CMD as new SQL command, and then str one of the dummy variable, dr is the SQL data reader to retrieve or read the information from the table. Okay, here add is AD is one of the dummy variable for SQL adapter. So this is the declaration of global variable in module. So here once you come back here login page, so login, when you are entering the username password, whether it is a correct, if it is a correct, automatic where supposed to go. So that details we are under login button we are using. See here con.open and connection we are given, and this is that bring that element and check and then process. So here select star from login, this is the table name, where username equal to username.text, this is the screen design part, text box, and password equal to password.text. So here it will read that information based of these two, and then based of this data reader it is a confirm with the reading. So here on that time, reading time, if that rows is having there, I mean that record is there, automatic the message box will display login successful. So once login successful, where to supposed to go? Normally once the login page will happen, I mean successful, automatically goes to the main menu or corresponding. So this is the navigation code. So this navigation code we are giving here. So me.hide means current form hiding. Then automatic it will goes to main menu. So the automatic remaining things all it will be coming. So suppose password is wrong, immediately it will show message box invalid username and password, and the text box automatically clear, and then this is that user name dot focus is the cursor supposed to be go in text box of username. So this is that our retrieving the information, check the information it is correct or not. If it is a correct, login successful, and then go to that corresponding navigation form to main menu, and then process. If not, automatically it will goes to the invalid username and password. So this is that login button code, which is to log into that pages, I mean table. So after next button is we have forget password. So these forget password we are using for to retrieve that password base of username. So base of this text box username, you are going to retrieve that table information. So how to do that is here you are giving the search command. So here you can see as usual normal we are giving this part, and then star select star from login where username equal to username.text. Suppose that one is correct, if it is reader is correct, immediately that f password.text, what is that password.text box is there, that one data reader, and then bring the password which is that stored in a table, it will appear on screen, automatically reader will close and connection will close. So this is that forget password operation. So next we have change password. Change password means how to change password instead of existing password. So that's called updating, and kind of way it is called as updating. So here as usual connection open, and then here update login is the table name. Set means new things you set, password equal to cpass.txt, where username equal to username. This one also base of username. So these all things will be correct. Then automatically it will save. cmd.execute non-query means automatic save, and then message will give password has been changed. So this is the forgot password or change password. In run mode I will show how it will work out. Just run the form, login form. Here it is there. So I am giving already I gave Balu username. So first we will see that forgot password. Just click here, and then just to search here, automatic the Balu username, whatever the password it is there, automatic it will come here. So you see this is the one. So 900 is the password. It is already which is the store in database. Okay. So just click exit and go back here. So you can change the password. Earlier password is 900, right? Now I am going to change that password. For example, new password, maybe I am giving King. So here confirm password also I am giving King. So just click that update, automatic the data will be updated. You can see whether it is correct or not. So automatic, just click this exit, and then here with the King we are login, and then login page is successful, and it will go to the main menu. See, this is the main menu of that. So this is the login menu, total entire scenario to navigation page, and then forget password and change password. Okay, so this is that entire operation. Okay, any doubt? Next video you can meet some other new technology things. Thank you.